Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards, welcome to my Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking Chevy Malibu, and this goes for Chevy Impalas as well. They're very similar. And in the event that your rear brakes are locking up, we want to show you the most common causes. Let's go outside and take a look. All right, YouTubers, in the garage now, and the right passenger rear tire is the tire we are going to be referencing in this video and working on. We are going to shift the jack into place, lift the car, and remove the tire. Tire is now off, and for safety purposes, I inserted a jack stand, lowered the jack. The car is now resting solely on the jack stand for safety purposes. Never rely on a jack while you're working underneath the car. And there is the rotor and caliper. And this is your dust shield. And on the back side, you've got a couple brake lines feeding into the caliper. And what I want to show you is this portion right here. You have the caliper, and inside this portion here are your brake pads. And this is an additional part that houses and secures your caliper to the rotor and hub. On the back side, as you can see here, you've got a few bolts, and this bolt right here is for your caliper slide. And unfortunately, in the event that you are running into a locked brake or you hear aggressive rubbing coming from your wheel well, chances are you have a seized caliper. And come into this little area right here, and it looks like it's been slightly damaged in the past. And if you can't, chances are you have a seized caliper, and this whole piece needs to be replaced. In addition, the brake line coming off here, that is your rubber line that feeds off your caliper and connects itself to the hard line, which then continues all the way throughout the car and up into your engine compartment to your master brake cylinder. And what can happen, believe it or not, these rubber lines, they fail from the inside out. So what does that mean? That means by inspecting it right now and seeing all the exterior portion of the line, you will notice there's no signs of damage whatsoever. However, the internal portion of the line can be breaking away and causing brake fluid to get clogged or backed up, which ultimately interferes with the efficiency of your brakes. So it's very possible that you have a perfectly operating caliper. However, you have a brake line that is falling apart internally and breaking away, which is leading to portions of that brake line to begin floating throughout the brake line as the brake pedal is pressed and the brake fluid is moving in and out of the caliper. However, in most cases, it is a seized caliper. In the event that you replace the caliper and you are still experiencing a locked up caliper, then your problem rests in this connection point here and the brake line to this connection point here. So those are the common causes, YouTubers. And in our case, we have a seized caliper. We are going to replace this caliper. And we're not gonna bore you with that in this video. All I wanted to show you in this video is the two most common causes. However, in the event that you want step-by-step guidance on how to replace your caliper, scrolling above is a link. Definitely click on that. That will take you to that video. You may find it very helpful. From here, YouTubers, hey, do us a favor. Below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us and awesome. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and we may see you at the next video replacing that caliper. And real quick, YouTubers, we have a brand new caliper installed, and this is what I was just referring to. New caliper shifts perfectly fine. So if yours doesn't do that, guess what? Time to replace the caliper.